teaser segment with Bob Schwartz. Bob Schwartz is the former president of PFA and current CEO Enislo Pedorthic Enterprises. Welcome, Bob. You know, your title, Footwear Forensics, tell me a little bit about what led you to kind of come up with that sort of thought process and maybe give us an example.
Thank you, Ben, for inviting me today. Firstly, the footwear forensic concept was here when I got here 52 years ago. It's foundational to the Enislo Pedorthic model because what we're doing is finding the very best shoe and shoe modifications, orthotic devices, whatever, based on a number of factors. You've got your biomechanical factors, but really what you have is the concrete planet pushing up against the body while the body is pushing down on the shoes, the inserts, etc. So when we study the shoes, we learn a lot about what's going on with every step a person takes. It's their real life experience. That's why it is forensic, and that we can see how their lives have evolved in terms of their balance, posture, alignment, gait, just by looking at shoes. So we can start with this shoe. I don't know how well you can see it.
Yeah, I can see it well.
Good. So this is a high top shoe that has been modified. It's got an extra rocker sole added on, and you can see the wear pattern on the sole of the shoe. And even though it's got a rocker sole, you can see certain wear patterns, like this part of the sole is worn a little bit more. Back at the lateral heel, it's worn a little bit more, so that we can see, well, first of all, the fact that it's a lateral heel wear pattern is good, because that's where the normal from supination to heel landing to pronation takes place.
Can I interject, Bob? When I used to teach skiing, we used to call it detect and correct. So and you mentioned a couple of things with the normal pattern. I understand you're trying to accomplish goals with the rocker. What's something you detected in this shoe as part of your forensic analysis that you are now going to correct?
Well, first of all, I'm going to focus in on where the wear patterns are. And I think I'm going to go to the insert first, because that's the clearest and most obvious. In this particular case,